Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful day, my friend. So pound that for watching this video. Pow! What's going on with your land? What's going on with your life? How you doing today? How you feeling? What's up with you? How are you? So under 20, you should crush it. Okay, what you should do to crush it if you're under 20? Let me know where you're watching from. Man. If you're under 20, so I have this 16-year-old that I'm coaching. He usually comes to my house and I'm teaching him how to build a business online, how to take himself to the next level. And you know, he's been in the process for like a month, and he came up the other day and he said, yo dude, like I got my first sale, like I got 2 sales for the day. I made 160 bucks. Like, can you actually believe that? I'm 16, I made 160 bucks in a day. And he was so excited about it. And I was thinking about all those other people who are 20 years old who should just definitely crush it. So if you're under 20, really this is your time to really take it to a whole next level. This is the time that you can mess up. This is the time that you can, even if you mess up now, it's not gonna have that much of an impact on you if you're trying for success, if you're trying to take your game to the next level. So this video is for all my millennials, people that follows me on this page. You know, here's what you should do. If I was 20, like when I was 20, I was worrying more about, you know, how can I beat my friends in 2K? Like I wasn't trying to build a business. I wasn't trying to make money, trying to take my game to the next level. I was thinking about the stuff. So this dude came over, it's like, yo dude, kid, I only had 2 sales. I'm like, dude, do you realize most people that are 16-year-old, they don't know how to create income yet, but yet you're already building a business. You're in the trenches, you're learning, you're growing. It's priceless. It's amazing. Right now, the skill set that you're learning, I'm so focused on skill set. If you're 20 years old right now, focus on building your social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, YouTube. Create a YouTube channel, learn, grow, and become creative. Start getting your stuff out there. Learn the principles on how to win. You know, find mentors that are succeeding and learn their principles early. Learn how to become successful early. So by the time you reach 25, 30, you're gonna be able to crush it to a whole next level. So if you under 20 or if you're 20, you're watching this, and this goes for anybody that's watching this video, learn the skill set. Spend the time, learn the skill set. You will fail, that's okay. And you know the cool thing about having a mentor who's been through it, when you're in your 20s right now, you failing, you testing, you trying, don't quit, because I've been through it. And it was the cool part, you know. My student, he wanted to quit, like, dude, a couple of weeks before that. His name is Fred, and I'm like, dude, just keep at it, man, just don't quit. You know, he got so excited, something happened to him. He got a letter in the mail. You know those letters you be receiving, people scam you out of your money, and they say, hey, send them some money and you can cash that check. So he got one of those letters, and he ended up sending those people the money. So it kind of bummed his spirit and felt like, oh man, this is crazy. And it's all part of the game. So you're learning, you're growing, and he's building his list, he's building his following, he's building his business and learning in the process. And it's all, that's the key. If you're in your 20s right now, it's the perfect time, because if you mess up right now, you're still at your mom's house, or you're not on your own yet, you have time to recuperate. You know, you're not losing all the way. So even if you take some L, that's okay. You are in a learning process. You still have the best part of your life left to make the best out of this thing. So if you're watching this right now, you're in your 20s, I'll build a Shopify store. I'll start learning how to sell stuff on the internet, dabble into e-commerce. I'll jump into YouTube, create a YouTube channel. You know, 5 years, 2-3 years down the line, this stuff will be making you thousands of dollars every month. Thousands. I mean, literally, it could happen in months, but I say give it a couple of years, because you're freaking young. You ain't got nothing to lose. You young, so the years you can put in the time. So if you're in your 20s right now, it's your best freaking time to actually test and fail your way to success. I just wanted to share that stuff with you. For those of you that's on the line who's actually watching this, you know, early 20s is your time for you to learn, grow, and succeed. And I had an event, I had a 21-year-old, you know, speaking at my event. His name is Jermaine Taylor. and this guy, he's making 6-figure, and he's only 21, and a year before he was actually sleeping on the street. You know, crazy story. But he learned the skill set on the benches, while sleeping on the benches, investing into his business, learn the skill set, learn how to build a list, learn how to build a following, learn how to sell products, and learn how to sell, you know, services on the internet, build a business now that's making 6-figure for himself. He's still in his 20s. So if you under 20, it's your best time right now to learn the stuff and crush it to a whole next level. By the time your competition get to you, you've already, by the time the people who are 16, 18, 20, by the time they wake up, you know, and they're like 25, about to hit 30, life happens. By the time they wake up and they say, oh man, I gotta change my life, you've already spent 10 years. You're already way ahead of the game. But if you wait right now, you're in your 18, 20s, you're just chilling, you're going clubbing, you know, today's Friday, and you say, hey, I'm gonna go to the club, I'm just gonna waste my money, and I'm just gonna hang with a bunch of people that, you know, that complains about their job or who doesn't have any experience. If you're in your 18 or just getting into college, right now is the best time to learn, implement, grow yourself. And then later on, I'm going to Vegas like in a couple of weeks right now. You know, when I want to hang out, I hang out with my friends, and we fly out to other states, other countries, and we have mastermind. We fly out with a bunch of millionaires, people who's taking it to a whole next level. We do that. Then you can do that whenever you want. Or you can go to the club this weekend, party, waste your life, and never invest time in learning how to grow yourself to the next level. Then, you know, 10 years down the line, start banging yourself. Why it's not happening for you? But I wanted to share that stuff with you, man. If you're young, this is the best time to make it happen. I wish I had a mentor when I was young that was teaching me the principle on how to be successful in life. Matter of fact, I was going to school, and in school, they don't teach you how to be successful. They teach you the same thing that they teach everybody else. You know, the school system is broken. We're still teaching people the same thing. And I could be smart in math, but I suck in physics, or I suck in English, and therefore I equate my value to the fact that I got an F in this class. Maybe I'm not good at math. Maybe I'm not supposed to be good at everything. Then I could do something else. Am I late? No, you're not late. This is all for my millennial, for the people who are younger than 20 or 20 that's watching this live, because I have a student, he's 16 years old, and he made $160 yesterday. I know he's gonna crush it to a whole next level. I believe in him dearly. But even if you're 40, 60, you're not late. It's never too late to start a new empire. It's never too late to start a new dream. Or you're never too young to make stuff happen. So age is nothing but a number. We all know that. But I'm talking to my youngers, my youngin on this page. Those of you who have all those years ahead of you. And there's certain risks that at your mom's house, at your dad's house, if you take them right now, it's not gonna cost you as much when if you have to take them 20 years down the line, when you have a family to support now. You know, when your mistakes, that they're gonna cost you a lot more. So what I'm saying in this video, go take those risks now. Learn the process now. Make this stuff happen now. And then in the future, you can live the life that you want. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. Let's take it to a whole next level. That was your boy Cater. If you're in your 20s, build a following on social media, learn the principle on how to build a business, you know, build a YouTube channel that's gonna make you income in time after time to come, All right, see you guys later. Bye. You're going through some hard times.